Here are 4 ways you can use a collage to make things pretty. Hi, I'm Kai, and I love making traditional and digital collages for fun. So, without further ado, number 1. Create your own wallpapers, either for desktop or mobile. If you've watched my videos before, you'd know that I love making new wallpapers for myself to get motivated for my goals. Each wallpaper I make is focused on a goal I set for myself in the form of a collage. It's simple and just makes sense for something you see every day to be an inspiration for you. I've made collage wallpapers focused on school, my career, my future, and the life I aspire to have. And seeing these in the background remind me of what I do all this for. Number 2. Wall decor. While this may be more known as wall spreads and not specifically a collage, it's still something I enjoy doing to personalize and make my workspace truly mine. Each of these pieces represent myself and the things I'm interested in. You have the freedom to decorate however you want, even rearranging, removing, and adding new decorations whenever and however you like. It's super easy and fun to do, and I'd suggest this to anyone who wants to add some life to their safe space. Number 3. If you like to journal, or if you've been planning to start one, you could definitely save a page for a cute collage of your pictures for the month. While sadly I don't maintain a journal or scrapbook as of now, this would be something I'd definitely add to mine. Just print out the pictures you find most important or aesthetic to you in either uniform or random sizes and stick them all together in a page. It's cute, easy, and it's super memorable. And lastly, number 4. If you've been my subscriber for a long time, you'd also know that I love creating new vision boards for goals that I have, the same way I do with my wallpapers. This is actually inspired by a school activity I had in my junior year, and it's to take an illustration board or any type of thick board that you have at home and print out the pictures you resonate with and things that visualize your long-term goals. It can be your own pictures or from your best friend Pinterest. Cut them out and stick them on the board to make your very own vision board. It's a really cute decoration for your room and at the same time a reminder of the things you strive for in the near future. You can also add the job position, college, or milestone that you really want to possess or achieve. And that's all I have for this week. Save this video for later and maybe leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Thank you and see you next week.